can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, PancakeSwap. Over the last 24 hours, PancakeSwap is up 29%. The last 1 week has seen PancakeSwap rally up by 30%. The big one is that on a yearly time frame, PancakeSwap has rallied up by 86%. How high can PancakeSwap go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We look at PancakeSwap valuation against the US dollar. Are we ready for that big pump to the upside? Just like in 2021, can PancakeSwap give us that 10x, 20x, maybe even a 30x pump to the upside? We look at PancakeSwap's performance against Ethereum. PancakeSwap's market cap, which right now has crossed the $1 billion level. We're not yet in an altcoin season. There's great in the cryptocurrency market. We're expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. How will that affect the price of PancakeSwap? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. PancakeSwap currently trades around $3.42. PancakeSwap market cap currently sits at $1.17 billion, with a fully diluted market cap of $1.54 billion and a total value locked of $2.53 billion. If you look at PancakeSwap's all-time high, came in on the 40. If you look at PancakeSwap all-time high, it came in on the 30th of April 2021. That was 4 years ago. PancakeSwap traded for as high as $44. Right now, it's down 92% from its all-time highs. The altcoin market has been bubbling over the last 1 week. It's safe to say we're clearly heading towards altcoin season with double-digit gains across the board in the altcoin market. If you look at PancakeSwap's performance against the US dollar, to be honest, it's been nothing to write home about over the last few years. You bought some PancakeSwap way back in June of 2022. Right now, PancakeSwap is still trading at the same price. And in June of 2022, if you bought that PancakeSwap was already down 92%. So you are literally buying the dip. You bought the dip for 3 years, PancakeSwap trading at the same price. But guys, that's not the lens you want to use and look at the market. You want to see the market from the perspective of the composite man, from the smartest player mindset. That's how you want to look at the market. What if you bought some PancakeSwap when it was down bad in 2020 before that parabolic run in November of 2020? If you bought some PancakeSwap believing, you know what? I believe PancakeSwap is going to pump to the moon at some point in time in the future. You got rewarded for your belief. You got rewarded for your risk-taking ability. Because in just 175 days, we saw PancakeSwap rallying up by more than 17,000%. That's how volatile the altcoin market can be. That's how volatile all coins are when the market is bullish. In PancakeSwap's case, we saw it rallying up by more than 176x in less than 6 months. But then, that volatility in the altcoin market that can give you big gains to the upside can also give you huge losses to the downside. We have seen that happen time and over again. A lot of these altcoins in the cryptocurrency market can give you those big pumps to the upside, but then it can also give you huge losses down to gobbling town. In the case of PancakeSwap, we saw it losing around 97% of its value in the process. PancakeSwap dropped for around 900 days. So even though you bought it in June of 2022, there was still some downside. Finally find the bottom for PancakeSwap around the $1 level in October of 2023. And at that point in time, market participants believe we were going straight to zero and there's nothing that's going to hold PancakeSwap up because, to be honest, the evidence then was that PancakeSwap had pumped by 1,700% and had dumped by 90+%. But the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. Remember that you want to buy when market participants feel we are going to zero. Definitely, they are calling for lower prices. You're hearing people saying, I'll buy when it gets to this price. I'll buy when it gets to this price. But that's the bottom. They'll always FOMO back at the top. Since October of 2023, we have seen PancakeSwap rally. It has gone high. It has gotten to as high as $5. We got to $5 level in March of 2024. But we've not really passed the $5 level. And thankfully, we have not gone below $1. So PancakeSwap has been tight in that range, has been consolidating in that range for over 2 years. Right now, I believe it's time for PancakeSwap to bust to new prices. I believe it's time for PancakeSwap to rally above the $5 level. Let's look at key levels where we might face difficulties on our way to new all-time highs. There's no guarantees that we'll get to new all-time highs, but that will be the primary target. We've seen Bitcoin get to new all-time highs. We've seen Ethereum get to new all-time highs. We've seen the altcoin market pump front, left, and center. I'll not be shocked if PancakeSwap joins in the party with the last 1 week, we've seen Zcash join the party. We've seen Zcash rally up by more than 149%. A lot of these altcoins are already pumping front, left, and center. For it to go up 300%, guys, you have to start from 10, 20, 30. And right now, PancakeSwap is up 30% over the last 24 hours. First, the $5 level will be the most important level to rally past. The $5 level, we need to pump by more than 48% from where we're currently trading for PancakeSwap to rally past the $5 level. If we see 48% pump to the upside, PancakeSwap will get to that $5 level. If we continue rallying to the upside, guys, and that important level to watch out for PancakeSwap will come around the $10 level. The $10 level is very, very important from where we're currently trading right now. PancakeSwap can go from $3.5, $3.6 to $10. That will be 200% pump to the upside. Remember, the altcoin market is very, very volatile. A lot of market participants have been shorting a lot of these altcoins over the last few years. So when we start pumping to the upside, not just bulls that are buying, sending us to higher prices, the bears that are getting liquidated are also sending us to higher prices. So these pumps can come very, very quickly. They can surprise you at the pace at which they will arrive. But as we're pumping higher, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should condition your mind to sell for some sweet profit. You're playing a game. The game is against other market participants. The game is to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible, to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, and to sell when greed returns back to the market. So we see PancakeSwap rally up to that $25 level, and there's still momentum, and we're still pumping to higher prices. It means we're going for the all-time highs. The all-time highs for PancakeSwap sit around $43. For PancakeSwap to return back to the 2021 all-time high, we're going to see a crazy, epic pump to the upside, a 1,600% pump to the upside. PancakeSwap has done it before, and it has done it in a very short period of time. I won't be shocked if we rally that high. Historically, when the market gets bullish, market participants start FOMOing. They start buying the top. As they say, crowd is always wrong at the extreme. Somebody has to buy your bags. You want to buy a low, somebody will have to buy your bags at a higher price, believing it's going higher than it's currently trading. If you want to buy some PancakeSwaps for yourself, some PancakeSwap token, you can buy it on Binance, on BSC, on Uniswap, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some PancakeSwap right there. PancakeSwap was originally built on BNB chain and allows users to trade tokens using a centralized exchange. It provides an array of products such as token swaps, yield farming, syrup pool to make cake tokens, Ethereum liquid staking, and simple staking, PancakeSwap protector games, and many more. Right now, BNB is pumping. BNB is at an all-time high. A lot of coins on BNB are pumping. A lot of market participants are trading on BNB, and that's why we're seeing it translate to PancakeSwap. A lot of them are buying PancakeSwap to facilitate those trades. PancakeSwap is pumping with a market cap of about $1.2 billion. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market, which is another reason why we're seeing altcoins pumping. The higher the greed goes in the cryptocurrency market, the more market participants FOMO. Bitcoin's near all-time highs, trading above $120,000. Ethereum trades above $4,484. BNB has gotten to an all-time high, which is aiding PancakeSwap. BNB pumping, we'll see PancakeSwap pumping more, but don't get carried away. I'm repeating it, guys. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes, because we're not yet in an altcoin season, and historically, it's in altcoin season that many of these coins go parabolic. It's in altcoin season that the crazy pumps always happens. And right now, we're on our way to altcoin season, but already see some early signs of those crazy pumps. Bitcoin is still up 11% over the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin. But the only time we can call an altcoin season is if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That is officially an altcoin season. And I believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, we'll see ourselves heading straight into an altcoin season. Hopefully, we stay there for a while. If you look at PancakeSwap's performance against Ethereum, it's currently outperforming Ethereum as expected. Over the coming days and the coming weeks, I'll still expect it to continue outperforming Ethereum. Historically, a lot of these altcoins outperform Ethereum in the final phase of the market cycle, because most whales that have made their money in BNB, in Ethereum, and in Bitcoin are going to be flipping those gains into tinier altcoins, trying to get some more exponential returns. Look at what PancakeSwap did in the final blow off top of the last cycle. So PancakeSwap rallying up by more than 2,200% in 42 days. So things can move quickly and things can get very explosive, but don't get carried away. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. I'll be expecting PancakeSwap to at least outperform Ethereum by 200 to 500% over the next few days and the next few weeks. Now, PancakeSwap market cap is going to be very important to tell us where the top is going to come in. A lot of these altcoins, the price can be going straight to the moon, but if you don't pay attention to the market cap, you'll be left holding the bag. For PancakeSwap, the market cap all-time high came in around the $6.8 billion level. From where we're currently trading, PancakeSwap's market cap just needs to see 500% pump to the upside for us to reach the former all-time highs. If you look at PancakeSwap US dollar price time, what will the 500% pump to the upside mean for PancakeSwap? That will see PancakeSwap going from $3.4, 500% to the upside. We'll see us getting just around the $20 to the $21 level. Still not an all-time highs. Will you be selling if we get there, guys? Historically, the market cap is always more accurate than the price chart because more tokens are coming into circulation. When PancakeSwap went all-time high in 2021, I was sure not all the tokens are in circulation even right now. So I'm speaking to you. PancakeSwap has a total supply of a maximum supply of 450 million tokens. Total supply of 359 million tokens, circulating supply of 344 million tokens. So expect more tokens to come into circulation. Expect Bitcoin dominance to dump. That's one very, very important metric we'll be watching out for over the next few days and the next few weeks. Bitcoin dominance dumping leads to the altcoin market pumping. But the bad news is that Bitcoin dominance dumping leads to the end of the bull market. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. PancakeSwap is showing some signs of life right now. It's pumping to higher prices, 30% pump in the last 1 day, 30% pump in the last 7 days. Are you still buying more PancakeSwap token? How high will you hold before you sell for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications. Get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.